I'm Adrien Brody. I had an amazing opportunity to intern at the iconic Porsche plant in Stuttgart.
Adrien, hello, come in.
It's my first day. I've always loved cars and I expected to learn a lot.
It's so much harder than it looks.
But I was so moved by the level of commitment and passion of the men and women who built these cars.
You put it in with your hands, handmade.
You can see what we are doing.
Most exclusive cars get carbon fiber fenders, doors.
No water and no dust can go into the car. Preciseness is very important here.
It's ruined.
Yes.
I'm very curious about your lives, how you have affected these cars. You guys should be really proud.
That's the end of break.
It's everybody coming with their A game.
It's remarkable.
I was most impressed by the closeness they felt, not only with each other as a team, but with the cars they produced.
This is, the holy area.
All this work. It's amazing.
It's a tight-knit family
Guten Tag. Cheers, my friends.
that I got to be a part of. It's incredible.
Save yourself. I got this. Day one.
Mr. Brody, there is no chewing gum on this floor. Everything is being recorded.